All right. Okay, I think this is take three. I'm going to try this again. I'm having funny, whatever. This is the Marine Corps sword. Marine Corps sword from the Battle of Tripoli in Libya. Old school Libya back in 1805, I believe it was, 1810, whatever. Sergeant Bannon, President Jefferson at the time. And I was given to the Marine Corps. You know, that fuse down there I'm pointing at, it comes from Princeton University. It was in Albert Einstein's classroom because I solved the energy crisis, whatever. This is the United States Marine Corps sword. And I also know about this. Why did they put that on there? You know, that's the Semitic star. The nation of Israel uses this star because they're the smartest nation on planet Earth. You know, and this is what's on the sword. But it's like these spirits. I mean, you can make whatever. It's a design. But something's funny on here. Right down here, the keys. Here. Something. I mean, that's like the key. I don't know. I see inside there. I don't know. I see like an eagle or a snake in the mouth and a lion's head. What is that? China, America, and Russia? We've got to unite. Trump, Putin, and the Chinese guy, whatever. We'll all get together on a buffet and a beer summit and take care of everybody on the planet, and let's get it done.